There are big $1,800 checks going out today, June 14th, to certain Social Security recipients, as we're seeing President Biden put out 4 big changes coming to Social Security. 2 of them actually increases Social Security, and all 4 of these changes that could happen to Social Security are in proposals in Congress right now. So when it comes to Social Security changes, some are good, some are bad, some increase Social Security, but none of these changes are going to decrease Social Security payouts. So I'll go over this article right here, $1,800 Social Security payment, June 14th, who will get it? And when it comes to the changes from President Biden, what can we see happen in 2024? These are major changes as we're seeing some insolvency issues when it comes to Social Security. Some of these changes could help fix that problem. With this article right here, 4 Social Security shakeups from Biden that could hit your wallet by 2024. Now, with these latest articles, I'll give you the latest news and give you anything important regarding Social Security. So if you're on SSI, SSDI, anything to do with Social Security Administration or any type of Social Security payment, you definitely want to watch this entire video. Before I dive into the main content and articles, if you want more Social Security updates, subscribe to the channel. Also, put on the notification so you get notified anytime there's a new Social Security update. And if you like how I get straight to the point, show the articles and all the proof of where all this information is coming from, hit the like button, and let's get right into it right here. So let's start off with the $1,800 payments. So $1,800 Social Security payments, June 14th, who will get it? So today is Wednesday, June 14th, marks a big important part of the month because this is when Social Security checks start going out. So, excuse me, not feeling the best today. So stick with me. It's actually why I wasn't filming the past 2 days. But thanks for sticking with me. All right, so when it comes to the $1,800 payments coming on June 14th, who will get it? So Social Security checks are being paid out today. In terms of numbers, $1,800 is around the average for Social Security checks going out to retirees. And meanwhile, the maximum benefit for those retiring at age 62 is $2,572 per month, and then $3,627 for workers retiring at full retirement age at 67, and $4,555 for those who retire at age 70 or later. When it comes to SSI, looks like the average payments are around $600 when it comes to SSI. The maximum benefit you could get on SSI is $914 and $1,371 for married couples. If they're both eligible for the program. Now, when it comes to payments, here is the payment schedule, June 14th. So if your birthday is between the 1st and 10th of the month, looks like that payment is coming today. So it may not be $1,800, but it'll be exactly what it was the previous month. No big change there. Then the 21st and the 28th are the big payout days. And when it comes to SSI, you're not going to get your check in July. You're actually going to get it June 30th. All right, let's go to the big changes that are going to happen to Social Security. So 4 Social Security shakeups from Biden that could hit your wallet by 2024. 2 of these actually increase your Social Security checks to help Social Security benefits. All right, let's dive right into it here. So, implement payroll tax for income over $400,000. So currently, any earned income below $160,200 is subject to a 12.4% payroll tax. Earnings exceeding that amount are not subject to OASI taxes. Biden plans to tax earned income above $400,000, leaving wages above $160,000 up to $400,000 untaxed. So basically, taxing more payroll tax means that the program, Social Security, will have more money to pay out, hopefully not go insolvent. Change the way COLA increases are calculated. So this could be a potential increase if you're on Social Security. As mentioned before, a lot of these changes, these shakeups from President Biden that could go into effect, that could pass this year in 2023, go into effect 2024. These are in a few different proposals that are in Congress right now. So each year, Social Security benefits are assessed based on inflation and adjusted through cost of living allowance. Basically, that's called the COLA. With the COLA, it's going off of the urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW, to calculate the COLA. But this number doesn't necessarily reflect the lifestyle and expenses of retired people. Shifting COLA calculations to figures tied to consumer price index for the elderly won't solve the problem of Social Security running out of money, but it could put more money into pockets of retired Americans who need it the most. So switching from CPIW, which are from workers, to CPIE, which are for the elderly population, which if you're on Social Security, excuse me, if you're collecting Social Security checks on SSI, SSDI, this will affect you as well because the CPIE will increase that monthly payout. So rather than having it a measly, 8.7% this year, could be even lower next year, rather than having it low, comparing it to all the workers of our economy, it's actually going to make it higher because it's going to account that elderly people aren't working as much as they did in the past. So if you are on the elderly side, thank you so much for your contribution to the economy because you have built the economy to where it is right now. And you definitely deserve to be compensated, especially since you paid into a program and were promised to be taken care of. So hopefully with the CPIE, this will help out give higher payouts per month on a regular basis. And once this change is made, it looks like the years to come that the payouts will be higher. And then the third change, increase the primary insurance amount. Primary insurance amount is a figure indicating how much money you'll receive in Social Security benefits depending on the age you begin claiming benefits and your average indexed monthly earnings, the AIME. Increasing the PIA for Americans aged 78 to 82 would help those who experience rising expenses such as healthcare later in life. And then here is another big increase right here, which could be a lot. So increase the special minimum benefit for lifetime low-wage workers. So low-wage earners receive a special minimum benefit regardless of how much they made while they worked. In 2023, a lifetime low-earning worker would receive just $12,402 in Social Security benefits annually, or $1,033.50 per month. Biden intends to increase the minimum benefit to 125% of the federal poverty level for an individual. As an example, in 2023, someone receiving the special minimum benefit would receive $1,518 per month with the boost. So that is huge. So going from $1,033 per month to $1,518 per month, that's just a little under $500, $485 increase when it comes to this type of payout. So when it comes to low-wage workers, $485 more per month with this big change from President Biden. So these are the type of changes we could see happen. These are probably the biggest changes and also the changes that could have the biggest effect when it comes to giving you a higher Social Security check per month, as well as keeping the program solvent so it doesn't run out in 9, 10, 11 years or whenever that would happen. Now, at the moment, we see a few different proposals that are in Congress that could pass. These four changes are in pretty much all of those proposals to some degree, maybe not as much of a change, but those are the different changes that could happen. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my Donor Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I want to tell you something what you should always do. So when you want to do something, do it. Like if you want to go out in outer space, do it. If you want to say something, do it. Say whatever you want and do whatever you want. And make it excitement. Bye.
Thank you for watching once again. So sorry for not being able to talk like I usually do. Throat's really bothering me. Really hard to say these words, so I'm not as smooth as usual. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want more Social Security more Social Security updates, Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and yeah, if you want to check out the latest Social Security updates, you can click this video right up here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.